Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's analyze the Bank Nifty's movement for today. That is 17th of May 2023. As expected, Bank Nifty started on a muted note, a 40-point rise, but on a first candle itself, you can see the downwards trajectory, and the yesterday's opening touched in the first candle. Then the moment. And the suggestion which I gave yesterday was of 43,800 as a crucial mark. So Bank Nifty stayed around 43,800 and 43,900 for a couple of minutes. Then once it breached the level of 43,800, and the suggested levels were 43,700, 43,600, 43,500, and of course 43,300. So it never went to 43,300, but it breached 43,500. So this was the expected move for today. In the end, Bank Nifty tried to gain some points and reached around 43,748, somewhere around 43,748. So this was the overall Bank Nifty's movement today. There was no such pressures but as I suggested, the lower side movement was predictable. It was necessary also for Bank Nifty to uh, get higher gains, maybe all-time high with a decent rally. So now as we can see that Bank Nifty is trading around 43 700 or 600 somewhere. So the tomorrow's expiry is, and we need to see how Bank Nifty will go and or work to perform tomorrow. As of now, I can see Bank Nifty, index futures is still in red. So I'm expecting a flat opening for tomorrow, maybe. US is up, and if futures remains in negative, then it will impact the rally towards the all-time high. Future is trading around 18 to 86 Nifty, and SGX is somewhere around 18 to 88. SGX is in green actually. So if Bank Nifty again opens above 44 or 43,800, then definitely we can see a good rally tomorrow. Tomorrow is expiry, so I'll suggest wait for a few candle formation, maybe of 15 to 30 minutes, and then you can take a trade. So for tomorrow, my suggestions for the trades will be wait for 43,800 to wait for the Bank Nifty to go above 43,800. Once it go above 43,800, then our targets will be 43,900, 44,000, 44,100, and all-time high 44,150. And above that, there can be a good rally of 100, 150, or 200 points more. So till 44,300 we have capacity for a Bank Nifty to go. Similarly, on the downside, if there is a flat opening or a gap down tomorrow, then 43 levels which I gave yesterday will comes into picture. So our levels will be around 43 600, 600, then 500. 43 300 will be our crucial level, and 43 will be our the last supported zone for Bank Nifty, and below that will be a free fall. So this is the trajectories for the upper and downside uh, for tomorrow. And to trade, and range bound zone will be around 43 800 to 43 500. or maybe 43,600. These two lines will be important for tomorrow to watch. And apart from that, Bank Nifty looks good. The last 30 to 40 minutes rally made Bank Nifty strong, somewhere around strong support zone of 43,700. So 43,800 is again a crucial mark which needs to be taken back. If it comes again 4300, then we are bullish and we can see all-time high tomorrow only. So let's wait and watch for tomorrow. And as a support, I need you guys to watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe my channel if you have not done so, and ask others as well to subscribe it. So we'll see you tomorrow after the market, and we'll try to take some position as well, and I'll share the profitable or non-profitable shorts with you all. Thank you so much. Good night.